Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift extra long travel unit shown for use in a big rig. In this case, it's going to be a Freightliner Cascadia day cab, but we do make it, of course, for many other vehicles. So this is the multi-lift. It's a multiple purpose lift. One of the applications is in this specific application for the Freightliner Cascadia day cab. First, we're going to put the extension on. It is also available with multiple extensions, but in this case, we only need one. You get different flexibility if you use it with multiple ones. Very important, make sure to put those safety pins on, cotter pins right here. Okay, put those in place. Make sure nothing goes wrong while you're doing the transfer. Okay, so we've got the lift right here. We're going to put the spreader bar and swing arm in. Open the door. Now, you can have the lift, you can have the sling already in place, but it's a little easier. It's a little easier with it already in place, but you can put it on afterward because the sling does not require the person to be out of the seat when put in place. Okay, so our first step is going to be to connect the leg tabs. Second step is going to be to connect the arm tabs. Okay, and then stand down, lift the person. Make sure that all the triangles are correctly on there. Once we get the person up and off the seat, we lift, clear, bring them out, pass the door, rotate, and start our way down. Place the wheelchair underneath the person. Now you'll notice you can manipulate these joints a little bit to get everything in place. You also notice that we're really not taking a whole lot of room up here between us and the next vehicle. If you add extensions, you can sometimes add to that flexibility. You can also do the transfer way over here. Once we're down in the wheelchair, we're going to disconnect. Okay, take the lift. We can remove the lift at this point if we like. If we're just going to come back later on and you're not worried about security, you can just swing the lift around the back of the cab. So we'll show you fully disassembling here. Take the lift off, stow it in a safe place. Remove the extension. And we're ready to take off, go to the restaurant, truck stop, whatever we like. In the back here, you'll see this is the mounting system, how it's connected to the vehicle. And if you want more details, of course, please check out the other videos in the notes field down below. It'll give you a lot more details, but this is a detailed video, not the main video to explain the product. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on X or Twitter at accessun. We are on Instagram as Access Unlimited one word, Pinterest as Access Unlimited 2 words, and our YouTube channel has over 4,000 videos showing you every conceivable idea, a way to transfer and do the things that you want to do in life and go where you want to go. That's at youtube.com/accessun. Contact us on our website at accessunlimited.com or pick up the phone and give us a call the old-fashioned way at country code 1-607-669-4822, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. During the week in the United States Eastern Standard Time. Evenings and weekends are no problem at country code 1-607-499-4933. We hope you like this video, this detailed video of the multi-lift extended travel unit shown for use in a big rig, in this case a Freightliner Cascadia. Remember, this is typically for a passenger application, Typically, if you're interested in other applications such as a driver, a more independent person, we've got other options in the Glide and Go XR. And also, if you look down below, there should be a link to that in this video. Thanks again for taking the time to learn about the multi-lift long travel unit in a semi, and hope you like what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.